Hi, Joshua. Mama loves you. Can you show everybody how you're trying to get down? Look at him. He's just got to get that leg out from under him. Come on. Come on, Chubbum. Come on. Look at Mama's phone. Come get it. Come on. Come get it. Come on. He's going to do a split. He's going to crawl with his leg under him. Oh, here comes Lily. She sees the phone. Come on, Joshy. That's pretty funny. Hi. She's determined to get the phone. He's sliding. That is the craziest form of crawling I've ever seen. Oh, I'm such a cornball, but this is hilarious. Yes, you are funny. You make your mama laugh every day. He just did it again. Oh my gosh.